This video will introduce you to the various functions and controls of the BSU teaching station. These stations feature a height-adjustable work surface connected to an overhead video projector or digital wall display. Most equipment and source selections are controlled by the touch panel. Tap the screen to wake up the station and turn on the equipment. It takes about 30 seconds to activate the equipment and warm up the projector in preparation for display. On the main screen, you will find various sources that can be displayed. These include the in-station Windows PC, document camera, and a USB-C cable for plugging in personal devices. Room audio is controlled by the buttons on the right side of the panel. Display mute can be used to temporarily turn off the video image being sent to the room screen. To provide additional flexibility, the workstation height can be changed to accommodate a variety of heights or seated presenters. There are adjustment controls to change the height both on the control panel and on the right side of the workstation itself. The document camera or video visualizer is located to the side of the teaching station. You can raise or lower the camera by using the handle on the arm of the unit. There is a camera zoom wheel on the top of the camera head along with an optional light source and a manual power switch. These document cameras include a built-in preview screen to allow presenters to adjust material that is being shown on the main screen. This screen also includes touch panel buttons for the camera's focus control, image freeze function, as well as an option to plug in additional HDMI-based sources located at the base of the unit. The PC located in the station is maintained by Information Technology to have the latest campus licensed software: Office 365, Teams, Zoom, VLC Media Player, Chrome and Microsoft Edge web browsers, etc., in addition to some department-specific applications. By logging on with your BSU credentials, you will automatically gain access to any campus network drives and your OneDrive cloud storage. Be sure to log off of the machine when you are finished. If you are bringing your own device, there is a dedicated USB-C cable and power outlet located on the work surface. Connections can also be made through the document camera's HDMI port mentioned earlier. Standard web conferencing and recording apps such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams are installed on the teaching station PC. The presenter station includes an upgraded Bose web camera microphone system that can be positioned to suit your individual need. Additional controls for the camera, pan, tilt, and zoom are accessed through the touch panel. When in a web conferencing setup, the presenter station sources will show up as additional camera sources in the selected application. When you are finished, remember to log off from the Windows PC and tap the shutdown button on the touchscreen. Should you need assistance with any of the technology, there are tech help buttons on the classroom telephone that will connect directly to the BSU IT Service Center. Additional training is also available by emailing itsupport@bridgew.edu.